Hello and welcome to Job Notes Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Aloo Paratha, which is the most popular breakfast recipe. So let's begin. The first step is to make a dough for our aloo paratha. For that, take a bowl and add 2 cups of wheat flour, salt as per taste, now add some water gradually and give it a good mix. Add water until the dough becomes soft. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil to make the dough non-sticky. Now let the dough rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our aloo mix for the parathas. For that, take a bowl and add in the mashed potatoes, now add chopped onion, now add chopped garlic, chopped coriander, lemon juice, garam masala, salt as per taste, turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin seeds, and give it a good mix. Our aloo mix is now ready for stuffing. Take out the lid and make 4 portions of the dough. Sprinkle some wheat flour on the rolling pin and start rolling the parathas. In the midway, add the stuffing to the paratha and close the mouth of the parathas and start rolling again. This is how you have to close the mouth of the paratha so that the stuffing stays inside even when you roll out the parathas. Now grease some oil on the paratha. Now place the paratha on the pan and grease some oil on the other side of the paratha. Our parathas are now ready to eat. If you like this video, then let me know in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.